तो सोनाली, जैसे ग्रेटर नोएडा के लिए मैंने सुना है एक बहुत बड़ी न्यूज़ है, तो क्या थोड़ा सा बताओगे आप कि क्या है, व्हाट इज दैट एंड व्हाट इज कमिंग फॉर पीपल दोज हु आर लुकिंग this as an option either to invest or to buy their home.
Yes, that is true. There is one big and much awaited news. People who have been wanting to invest in Greater Noida have always missed, I think, presence of a big reputed name in real
True.
estate. And when this land, which is about 3.5 acres, which was won in a bid from Greater Noida Authority, and the big name, which is one of the India's and Dubai's leading developer, which is Sobha, coming in Greater Noida.
Okay.
And it was, people are extremely happy.
Hmm.
Investors are contacting from all over the world. What is this area about, and what is the upcoming proposition from this developer? Because this area in general has always lacked presence of a listed company. And today in news, as we speak, on 22nd of April, Yogi ji has already announced that the airport, Jewar Airport, so is going to be, there will be flights taking off from Jewar Airport, and this site is hardly 40 to 45 minutes driving
Okay,
distance.
got it, got it. So in that way, it is like you will be well connected, and this is an international airport, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes, Jewar is an international airport. It will be taking care of domestic flights as well as international flights. And my intent is to take you on that flight as I board on the first flight.
I'm sure we'll be the first one. Though I don't want it, but yeah, I have to be there. You know. All right. So this is the brand which is coming, and can you tell a bit about, like, I know about Soba. I mean, can you tell a bit about this brand specifically?
Soba, it is fortunately there have Soba's presence is been dominant in Bangalore, the southern part of India.
Okay.
But we have been lucky, and I feel I can say with pride that we were fortunate to start working with Sobha in Delhi NCR with their projects on Dwarka Expressway in Sector 108, which is the Sobha city, and the villa development in Sector 109, Gurgaon. Those projects have come up extremely beautiful. They have appreciated to almost 3 times in last 4-5 years. And Sobha is known for its amazing quality construction.
Attention to detail as well.
Absolutely. So they were the first ones to actually exhibit in their experience center to what pipes they were using, what are the levels of cementing they use, how they incorporate backward integration, unlike any other developer that we have seen, how from the door to the training that is given to in-house people who look into the project. And that detailing eventually shows up in a beautiful product that comes up, and as an end user or as an investor, that is what you would want, that your money is safe and you get every buck for the money spent.
Absolutely. Okay. What would you like to? I mean, what message you want to give to the investor and
So
the
after,
interested people?
yes, after the success of Sobha in sector 108, 109 in Gurgaon, this is a golden opportunity where people from Uttar Pradesh and people from all over Delhi NCR have something iconic to buy and invest their money in the high-rise development coming by Sobha. And I'm sure it is going to be one of the most iconic ones because it is going to be the first of their project in this area, in this region.
Perfect.
And this is going to, we're already receiving a lot of interest from NRIs because Jewar is going to change the way people have looked at Noida in the longest time, and the connectivity and how Gadkari ji is doing a phenomenal job, task of taking heads on bringing tier 2 cities closer to Delhi NCR. It is just changing this entire way, and people who are in these highly paid jobs and coming up in these big giants like TCS, Microsoft, and whatnot, they want to spend the money that they make, they want to put that money into a lifestyle that takes care of their families, and that is where you find peace.
True, true, true. So we have such a brand now in Greater Noida as well. So please,
So-
guys, this is the brand which is coming in Greater Noida. So reach out to us to make this beautiful, piece of land eventually your home. Thank you.